Alright guys, welcome to another video section. My name is Olusonya Ahmed, and in this video section I'll be walking you through the back-end creation of the VTU website. Now in the previous video we learned about the front-end website. You can see this is the front-end website, and today we are going to be learning about the back-end. So how can we connect this front-end to the back-end so that people can just come to our website and create an account and all of that. So the first thing first is, at least you are familiar with the cPanel now. So the first thing first is you need to create, there are two ways. You can create a subdomain that will carry like maybe secure.yourdomain.com, or you can create a subfolder in the website folder. So but for me, I'm going to be creating the subfolder because that is the most easiest one. So I'm going to go to my folder, that is VTU data. This is it. So you can see this is it. Now I'm going to create a folder called let me say secure. So I think it's there, secure. So if you don't know how to create a folder, you just say create folder. You just click on the up one level. So you just say create folder. So you just name the folder and say create folder. That is it. So you create a folder called secure, or anything that you want to call your own. So it means whenever people want to sign up on your website, once we link it with the front end, so it will now refer them to the login page. Now, what we are now do is, the first thing we need to do here is we need to import our data. You need to create a database first. So how do we create a database? Now, go click on my SQL database, and let's name this database. Let me see, secure. Click on create database. You go back and you will add a user to that database. So you add a user to that database. Let me see, database. So user to the database. So let me just say secure. Let me copy this, the password. So let me type it again. So you click on create user. Once you click on create user, you go back and you add the user to that database. So you go down. So add user to database. So we choose secure. Then the database name is also secure. You click on add. Click on all privileges and you click on no changes. That is all. Now we need to now import our database. Okay, we need to import our database. So we go back home. So you go back to the cPanel. So we click on, if you want to import database, you go to phpMyAdmin. Then you select the database that you want to import. So this is secure. Where is it? This is it, secure. You can see that it is empty for now. It's empty. So we now click on imports. We click on choose file. So this is the back-end database. Click on open and click on go. You can see it's very easy. Database, no database selected. Let's see. I think there is a problem here. Let's go back to, what is it called? Secure. Let me see if the database is correct. Secure. So let me check the database again. This is the database. So maybe I'm going to re-download this database so that it won't give us an issue. Alright, so I will download the database. So let me import it again. You click on choose file. So I will download it as this. This is it. So I will download it. Click on open. And let's see. Click on go. So now you can now see that the database is fine. So it's fine. So you can see this is to click on secure, you can see the database here now. So this is it. Now we now go back to our front end, our file manager. So we go back to our file manager, you make sure that you are in the folder secure or anything you name your own. You click on upload. Now you want to upload the zip file. So you click on select file. So this is the front, the backend, the script. So you click on this, click on open. So it will upload. So it's going to take some time. So depending on your internet connection. So make sure it turns green before you can click on go back, because now it's still uploading, it has not completed. But it turns green. Once it turns green, it means it is done. So you can now proceed. So let's wait a little more. Okay, still uploading. So it has been completed now. So you click on go back, and this is it. So you right click on this. You have to extract this. Okay, you extract. Make sure you are extracting the same folder. Click on extract files. So that is it. So you reload it so that it can populate the. You can see this is it. Now you cannot delete this file. You don't need it anymore. Delete it. Delete it. So that is it. Now the next thing for us to do is we need to connect our database. Okay, how do we now connect our database? So if you see this, you see db.php here. You right click on it, click on edit, click on edit. So you can see here, where is it? You can see host is localhost, leave that database name. You can see you put your database name. Now for us, this is our database name here. You need to copy this. So paste it here. So the database user also the same thing. Then the database password, this is what I use. So paste it here. So that is it. So that is all you need to do here. Click on save changes. Then you can close if you like, but I don't want to close. So I'll now visit the URL, which is, you can see, just copy this URL. If you want to visit the admin section, you know that this admin, you can see here, you can see we have admin here. You can even change yours to, if you don't want people to guess your admin URL, you can just change it, rename it, maybe VTU admin, so that people won't guess your URL. Okay, they won't guess your URL. So if you want to go to that URL, I'll just paste the link here, /VTU admin. Don't forget this. So you can see that it goes, you have changed URL. So anybody that is trying to access your admin area, the person will know what you have used to name your admin. You can even change it from VTU admin. You can change it to anything like AAA something. You can just give name that you know, that you can just say AA secure or secure admin access. So you know, that is just it. So you won't allow people to visit this. Okay, the front page, if people want to sign up, it will stop here. VTU-data.ck/secure. That is what we are going to be linking to our front end only. Okay, so if you want to access this admin, the default one is, the default username is admin, and the default password is 1111, 1 in 4 places. Click on login. You can change your password later. Boom, and here we are. Now the first thing you need to do is settings. You go to settings here. Sorry, still loading. Okay, go to settings. Now go to security. You can change your password. You can change your username here. Okay, you can change your current password 1111. New password, you can put it, confirm password, and save changes. That is all. That is what you do here. Then the second settings here is site settings. Now, site setting, this one is very, very important. You need to go and create a reCAPTCHA. So you need to have your Gmail account open before this can work. So this is very easy. Just click on create CAPTCHA. Click on this. It will take you to the page directly. So like your website name is VTU data.tk, so you can put your own website name. So you click on this reCAPTCHA V2 here, and you tick I'm not a robot checkbox. This is what you should tick, and add your own domain. So the same thing I put here, I'm going to put here too. So you don't need this, the email address that split for you automatically because I've logged in. So you click on accept and you click on submit. So this is copy this copy site key. So you come here where the site key, so you replace it. You replace it here. Then the second one is the public key. You copy, sorry, secret key. You copy it. You replace it also here. You click on save changes. So you can change your logo. Okay, choose logo, change logo. That is it. So I don't want to go. So you can put your contact phone number. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So you can put your then portal name, VTU data. You can put your portal name. Then your admin email. You can put your admin email. Let me say okay. So once that is done, click on save changes. And that is all you need to do here. And the next thing you need to do is it's still loading. Okay, we need to do the payment settings. Okay, still loading. So we need to do the payment settings here. So payment settings. So let's open this in a new tab. Maybe that will be better. Let me close this. Open this in a new tab. Then we need to get our Flutterwave. Okay, you can create our API key here. So if you don't have a Flutterwave account, this is an opportunity for you to open one. So you click on the create API key. So because I have a Flutterwave account, I'm going to log in. If you don't have a Flutterwave account, it's very easy. Just go to flutterwave.com and you sign up. So you can see if you want to get a Flutterwave account, you can just do that. But I have a Flutterwave account. I'll just go to flutterwave.com. I will log in. So once you have created your account, very easy. You just sign into your Flutterwave account. So once you sign into your Flutterwave account after creating your account and they have verified you, so you are going to go to this settings here. Go to settings. And we need two things here. We need the public key and the secret key. So once you go to settings, click on API, go to API. You can see this is the copy key, this is the public key, copy it, go here, public key, then this is the secret key, so you copy that too, click on save settings. That is all you need to do. Okay. Okay, I think, okay, sorry, I've not selected. So I've selected Flutterwave. So you need to select this here. That's why it's giving me. So I'm going to copy the secret key again. Copy the secret key, paste it here. Then you copy the public key, you paste it here again. So you click on save settings. So settings saved. So now the next thing for us to do is let's see. So we need to, you can set, I won't be going deeper to this, you can just set your, go to services, you can view the services that you have. Okay, you can view all the services that you have. You can also add new service. You can see Eco Electric. You can view different services you have. You can also add services. Okay, so you can. This is the recharge. Still loading. So we can now go to maybe your, let's say, billing, reseller rates, normal rates, referral commission. You can set all these airtime to cash charges, airtime to cash. You can do airtime to cash. So reseller rates, normal rates, referral commission. All these things you can just go to reseller rates and set your own rates. So you can set your rates, you can set normal rates. So I won't be going deep here, so you can just, so what the most important thing is the API settings. How do you now connect API? So because all these things is is based on the API connection. Now to create an API, we need to go to this URL, create an API key. So VTU Africa. So if you don't have an account, you can just create an account there. I think I have an account there. So you can register. So once you register, you need to pay a sum of 1,000 naira for your account to be activated. Okay, so and they have, you can just call their number, any of this number, and they have a fast customer support service. So like me, I've registered, so I'm going to log in to my account. Already registered, login. So I'm going to log into my account, sign in. And this is my account here. So what you need to do here is just come to developers API and you create API key. Now there is this clause here too. So if you want to, there are different upgrades. Okay, so there are different upgrades. So to have access, you can see now this was because I've not upgraded to the what is it called? If you want to, you can see prices here. Let's see, upgrade your account. Yes, so you can see agent, reseller, portal owner. If you want to be an agent or reseller, so you pay a sum of, I think, 3,000 naira. Okay, if you don't want them to set up portal for you. But if you want them to set up the portal for you, it is 25. But if you want to become a portal owner, an API, that is the main business. So that is the main business. You come back to developers API. Sorry, not developers API. So once you have been upgraded, let's see, where is it? Prices, yes, upgrade your account. So you click on portal owner. You pay a sum of 5,000 naira. So only. So you click on proceed. So once you pay some of 5,000 naira, this one will be activated. You can create your API key and you paste it here. Where is it? You paste it here. Gateway API key. That is all. So once you paste it, just click on save settings and that is all. Now, how do people register on your website? Now, if they want to register on your website, you just claim this. So make sure you don't give them the admin access here. So once they visit your main website /secure, so they can create their own accounts. You can see, click create accounts. You can see the captcha we have done. It will reflect here. The Google captcha, you can see this. Then the first name, let me say I'm registering as my name. The email. Is at. Then your phone number. Then password. Then click on not a robot, create my account. You can see account created successfully, so you can click on login. So the email I use, and the password, click on sign in. So you can see I've signed in automatically. So you can see what you can do: convert airtime to cash, convert transactions. If you want to print a charge card, print a charge card. So you can do all those stuff, but you must credit your wallet here. You must credit your wallet here. Okay, you must credit your wallet. So as a user, now if I want to credit my wallet, just click on credit wallet. So you can see this, convert airtime to cash and get paid instantly. So you can do all sorts of things here. So like if you want to pay now, I just okay, I want to pay 4,000. So ATM card, you can pay with cash deposit or transfer, you can pay with airtime also. If say ATM, so because we have set our flutter wave, so it will, so you can see it has gone to flutter wave. You can see now it has gone to flutter wave, so we need to pay this amount. Okay, we need to pay this amount in flutter wave. So that is it, just pay, and once you are done, it will fund your account. So that is how to go about that. That's how to go about that. So what you need to do here is you can even set your bank account. Okay, excuse me. You can set billing, sorry, not billing, settings, add bank details. You can add your bank details so that people can pay, okay, people can pay to your bank account. So if that's the case, now the next thing for us to do is now to link our front end here, so that when people click on, and if you are knowledgeable about WordPress, you can redesign this entire site. So if people click on login, sign up, it will take them to, you can see now if I say sign up, you can see it's not going anywhere. Now we are going to link this together with the backend. Now remember that this is our backend. This is our URL for our backend. We copy that. Now we come to our front end here. The first thing we need to do here, we want to link this menu icon, this menu place here. We want to link it. So how do we do that? You come back to your dashboard, your WordPress dashboard. So you click on appearance here. You click on menus. So you can see the menu, sign up. So you click on this. Instead of this hash here, you paste the URL here, sign up, and the same thing goes to login also. You paste it here, and that is all. So once this is done, click on save menu. Now let's go to our website and let's see if it's active or not. Now let's click on sign up. Let's see where it will take us to. You can see. You can see. Then let's click on login. Where will it take us to? You can see. Now the same thing you are going to do for everything on your site. The same thing you are going to do for everything on your site. Now we want to start linking all these ones, all these sign up, all this one. You can see if people click on learn more, you can see it should take them to, okay, you can also leverage on this. Okay, now if you don't want to be stressing yourself, okay, you can see that when I put my cursor here, you can see this is the /app. So if you don't want to do, you can just do it manually on yourself. So like /app, you can customize your secure to /app, and you start changing what, you still the same thing because you still have to change all the URLs. Now how do you do this? Now to do this, now once you have logged into your WordPress, you click on edit with WP page builder. Okay, click on this. And still loading. So you can see this default slider here. You can see here. So you can't edit anything here. So what we need to do is, so we need to go to the backend editor. Okay, backend editor. If you want to edit this, let's say I want to edit this, you won't be able to edit it. This is just classes. So you go to backend editor. You click on backend editor. So once you go to backend editor, you can see we are in the backend editor now. So you can now edit all these things here. So it's still loading. So now these are the services. These are the first slider. Once you click on this edit, it will bring out the fourth. Okay, let me close this. I think let me see this. Okay, not this. Okay, let's see this here. Okay, this is the column settings. Okay, this is okay. I think it's service. Okay, services item. Yes. So you can see like this services item now. You erase this. You put yours. Click on save changes. So you do this for all the different items here. Services item. You can see Ibadan Electric. Okay, because people must register before they can buy. So you can see you do everything for all these services item here. Okay, you can see bulk SMS. So you can save changes, and that is all. So this contact, you can just this is your contact form. You can edit it also. So you can edit your contact form. You can see you can edit it. You can put different images you want. So close. So you can do all sorts of things. This is the grid icon here. So you can change the context here. So you can do all sorts of things here. So I think this is the slider. So I'm looking for a way to, let me see the slider here. Let me see settings. Okay, I think okay, let's go to front end editor. Okay, click on update. Now I think this is classic mode. Let's go to the front end editor and let's see if we will be able to edit the sign up in the slider. So I think let's go to front end editor. So it's still bringing us to the same place here. I think let's see. So I think we should be able to edit this. Okay, let's go to. I think there is a slider here. Okay, I think it's slider revolution here. Okay, go to slider revolution. Then this is where to edit the stuff. I think that is the slider you use. Let's see if you can see that slider. Slider 1. So let's see if the slider is here. So let's see slider. Okay, this is advisor home. Let's see this first. It is slowly. Let's see if it's the one. If it's not the one, you go back. Okay, this is not it, so we go back. So advisor home. Let's visit this. Let's see. No, it's not. I need to find the slider. Advisor slider. Let's just see what slider 1. So it's not in slider 1 also. So let's check. Where is it? Let's check here. Sign up. I think is in. Okay, let's go to this. But I'm trying to find where this thing is. Let's go back to our page. Click on edit page. Okay, advisor options. Let's see advisor options. Okay, yeah, this is it. Advisor options slideshow. The slider 1. Okay, this is it here. You can see this is it. Sign up. So this is it. Okay, so we brought it to link. So this is where I'm going to paste this here. Okay. So yes, I got it. So there's slider 2. You can see this is it. Get started. Recharge now. This is where we are going to paste this. Okay, so that is just it. Click on save changes. Now let's now visit our website. Save changes. as the changes you see. Okay, and let's visit our website and let's see. So you click on sign up, you can see sign up. So you can see it will lead us to, you can see that is it. Fantastic. So that is how to go about this, and that is, I think that is all for now. So that is all we need to know for now. So you can just go over it and cross check. So all these things, you can do some transaction. This is your account. You can credit wallets. For example, if I want to credit a user wallet now, I can just credit that user wallet, customer email. I think this is the email I use. So let me see amount. Let me say I want to credit customer 40,000. Add fund. Okay, fund added successfully. Now let me log into the user account. Let's see the user. Where is it? Okay, let me log into the user account and let's see if the wallet has actually been credited. So that is important if someone pays through bank transfer and you want to credit that person. But if the person pays through Flutterwave, it will be automatic payment. So you can see 40,000 naira has been credited. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video, and to get the script here, this is how to get the script. So you can go here. So to get the script, you can pay a sum of 15,000 naira into this account or large synergy solutions GTB. This is the account number. Then after payment, you can send proof to this number 08155914677 on WhatsApp, so that you can get the complete script and you can start your own online business. Okay guys, I do really hope you really enjoyed this video, and if not, you can contact me on WhatsApp and for more inquiries or for more details. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video to this very last end. I really appreciate you, and I wish you good luck in your online business. Thank you very much. My name is Solution Ahmed, and have a great day.